So recently I got bored and I decided to break out of my comfort zone and try to make a game using the Unity game engine. Yes, Unity recently updated to the much awaited version 6, but we won't be using any of the new features. What I wanted to do was to challenge myself under 3 conditions. The first condition was that the game should be 3D and not 2D. The second condition was that it should have a degree of replayability with a scoring system. And the third and final condition was that it should be made under 72 hours. Now, if you're enjoying my content, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. That would really help me out a lot. Now back to the video. So these were the conditions that I set myself, and I started by opening the Unity editor. Now I wanted to have some simple idea for a game mechanic that was really simple to implement. I was thinking of these platformer type games or endless runner games that are already on the Play Store and have been for many years. And that seemed like a good idea, but honestly I just wanted something different, yet simple. I started out by dragging a cube onto the surface. I then went to the sketchboard and I wondered how I could make the cube move but also make it challenging, right? Simple but complicated. I thought of a platform that kept repeating itself, but then the previous platform that the player is on would keep disappearing, something like that. I decided to try it out and see how it looked. After many hours and tutorials and trials and errors, this is what I came up with. I implemented a movement mechanic that made the player hop in the direction of the tiles. The speed of the tile spawning would gradually increase as time passed, making it more challenging for the player. I then replaced the default cube with something I found on Sketchfab, as you would have already guessed. I used the bloom post-processing effect to give the tiles a nice glow. This isn't by any means perfect, but it was a good starting point to learn how to make games with Unity. Then I implemented a scoring system based on each hop the player made and a simple game over screen when you die. I know, this looks way too simple for a game in 2024, but this was more of a learning project and also to see if I could complete the challenge. Unity is great and it's really fun to work with. It does, however, lack some cutting-edge features seen in Unreal Engine, but if you want to make a simple game that can run on mobile devices and browsers, then Unity is the way to go. If you like this video, please do leave a thumbs up and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.